Today we're practicing for the sound O. O can be spelled O-A, O consonant E, O-W. It can be spelled other ways, but these are the most common. The joke is, what do you call a fake pasta? All right, number 1, goal. He shot a goal in soccer. Number 2, show. They went to the show last night. 3, throw. Please throw the ball to me. Throw. 4, croak. The frog went croak. Croak. Number 5, poke. Please do not poke your friend. Poke. Number 6, coasting. They were coasting down the hill on their skis. Coasting. Number 7, chose. They chose to go down that trail. Chose. Number 7, I guess it is, stoke. They needed to stoke the fire. That was 8 actually. Number 9, roam. They decided to roam through the woods. Roam. And number 10, slope. The slope to the driveway was very steep. Slope. Now for spelling. Number 1 is goal. G-O-L. Spelt G-O-L. The O sound is in the center of the word, and it's spelled O-A when it is found in the center of the word. Show. Sh-O. 2 sounds in there. Sh and O. In this case, the O sound is at the end of the word, so it's spelled with an O-W. End of a word or end of a syllable. O-W. Throw. Th-r-o. Th-r-o. O-W is at the O sound is at the end of the word, so you use O-W. End of word or end of syllable. Croak. K-r-o-k. It goes K-r-o-k. So there's a few rules here. The O sound is found in the middle of the word, so it's O-A. The K sound at the end of the word is a K on its own, because right in front of it is a long O sound, the long O sound. So it's just a K on its own. If it was a short sound, then it would be a CK, but it's not. And it is a C for K at the beginning, because C and R always team up together. C and R and C and L are partners. Next is poke. P-O-K. P-O-K. I'm just going to leave the E on its own because it's a silent E. And in this case, this silent E jumps over that consonant and pokes the letter, the vowel to say his name, O. And the O is in the middle of the word. Coasting. K-O-S-T-ing. That's one long sound. K-O-S-T-ing. There we go. It is an OA because the O sound is in the middle or closer to the beginning of the word, but it's in the middle of the word, it's not at the end. And in fact, we have the C here for the K sound because right beside it is a vowel and it is a round shaped vowel. So we use a C as opposed to a K for the K sound. Choose. Ch. Ooh. S. Sorry, chose. Sorry, my apologies. Chose. Ch. Oops. Ch. O. S. And a silent E at the end. Silent E jumps over and makes the O vowel say his name, O. Stoke. St. O. K. St. O. K. Silent E at the end. Jumps over and makes the vowel say his name. Rome. R. O. M. So now it is R. O. M. O sounds in the middle of the word. And you're saying, well, why can't I do this? R. O. M. Like that Rome. That Rome. It can be spelled that way. But when we're talking about the word roaming in the woods, it's this Rome. And so both the sounds, O sounds, are in the middle of the word. Which one do you use? Well, it depends in the context. So sometimes you have to just stop and look at which word makes sense, which spelling makes sense for the context of the word. Okay? Roaming in the woods versus living in Rome. Final one. S, L, O, P. S, L, O, P. With an E at the end, silent E. E jumps over, pinches him to say his name. Again, you're wondering, why can it not be like this? S, L, O, P. Because the sound is, of course, the O sound's in the middle of the word. Sure it is. So which one is it? Again, you've got to look at the word and go, which one is most familiar with the context of the sentence? It's a slope that goes down, a hill of some sort. So there are points where you've got to look up both and go, which one is most familiar? The joke was, what do you call a fake pasta? And it's called an impasta. Haha.